Can I use an external hard drive to back up my Google Drive data?
In this video, we'll be discussing if you can use an external hard drive to back up your Google Drive data, and we'll go through the steps involved in the process.
Can you back up Google Drive data to an external hard drive?
Yes, you can back up your Google Drive data to an external hard drive. This provides an additional layer of security and ensures you have a local copy of your files, which can be helpful in case of data loss or connectivity issues.
How do I download my Google Drive data?
1. Go to Google Takeout. Sign in to your Google account, and then head over to Google Takeout, takeout.google.com. 2. Select Google Drive. On the Google Takeout page, deselect all the services except Google Drive. You can choose to download data from specific folders or the entire drive. 3. Choose Export Settings. Select the file format for the archive, e.g., zip or .tgz, and the maximum size of each archive part. 4. Request the download. Click on Create Export and wait for Google to prepare the archive. You will receive an email when the archive is ready to download. 5. Download the archive. Access the download link in the email and save the archive to your computer.
How do I transfer the data to an external hard drive?
1. Connect the external hard drive. Plug your external hard drive into your computer using the appropriate cable, e.g., USB or Thunderbolt. 2. Open the hard drive. Locate the external hard drive on your computer and open it. 3. Create a new folder. Create a new folder on the external hard drive to store the Google Drive data. 4. Copy the data. Copy the downloaded archive from your computer to the new folder on the external hard drive. 5. Extract the archive. Extract the contents of the archive to the new folder on the external hard drive. In summary, you can indeed use an external hard drive to back up your Google Drive data. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure you have a local copy of your files for added security and peace of mind. Happy backing up!